world needs jobs, energy, affordable, reliable, and sustainable because we are connected to the world. So it's exactly the right forum.
Your theme actually talks about powering the future.
Solar energy in building a Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Solar energy will remain a cornerstone of our nation's progress, resilience, and self-reliance. Of the sustainability that is needed in achieving it, and achieving it in a manner that is both timely and technologically beneficial for our country.
Welcome to this episode of Sustainability Karma. I'm your host Nana Gautam. When we think about solar energy, we often think of technology, infrastructure, and ambitious targets. But the solar transition is also about people, ideas, and partnerships. It's about how nations innovate, collaborate, and build a more sustainable future. India today stands at an important moment in that journey. As solar energy continues to expand across the country, new conversations are emerging around innovation, skills, financing, and international cooperation. These conversations will come together at Solar Futures 2026, being held on 3rd July at India Habitat Centre, New Delhi. As a curtain raiser to the conference, let us hear from some of the distinguished leaders who will be joining us. We begin with a message from Dr. Mohammad Rihan, Director General of National Institute of Solar Energy. As India accelerates its solar ambitions, innovation, research, and technology development will play a critical role in shaping the next phase of growth. Let us hear his perspective on the opportunities and challenges ahead.
So, my best wishes to this Solar Futures 2026 by Sustainability Karma is definitely it's an impactful, appreciative initiative. As we have talked, our country is going through this solarization. Your theme actually talks about powering the future. Of course, it is the technology which will be powering our future. And you are connecting local innovation and global leadership, which our country, because of these sustained efforts, is set to provide global leadership in clean energy space. So, a very thoughtful theme of Solar Future 2026, and I'm sure it will be a useful program for the sector and will contribute to our onwards journey towards solarization and achieving net zero.
India's solar energy is increasingly becoming a global story. From expanding access to clean energy to driving innovation and strengthening international partnership, the country's experience is contributing to conversations far beyond the borders. Our next speaker has been at the forefront of advancing solar cooperation across nations. We now hear from Ashish Khanna, Director General of the International Solar Alliance, who shares his thoughts on India's role in shaping the future of solar energy, both at home and around the world.
I congratulate Solar Future and Sustainability Karma for India having done 150 gigawatts and an aspiration to do 1800 gigawatts as per the Niti Aayog report, has all the potential to become the global hub for innovation and financing, which will have to be done locally, but the experience of India will be translated to the rest of the world because the world needs jobs, energy, affordable, reliable, and sustainable because we are connecting India to the world. So it's exactly the right forum, and we look forward to joining you and wishing you all the best.
To reflect on that broader perspective, we now hear from Dr. Ajay Mathur, one of India's most respected voices on climate and sustainable development.
I believe that sustainability karma are first indicators of how we will achieve this, of the sustainability that is needed in achieving it, and of achieving it in a manner that is both timely and technologically beneficial for our country. Thank you.
The transition to a clean energy future is strengthened when institutions create opportunities for dialogue, collaboration, and the exchange of ideas. Solar Futures 2026 seeks to provide exactly such a platform. Our next speaker represents an institution that has long championed sustainability and environmental stewardship. As the hospitality partner for Solar Futures 2026, India Habitat Center has supported sustainable practices including the adoption of solar energy within its campus. We now hear from Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh, who shares his thoughts on India's renewable energy journey and the role of solar energy in building a Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Namaskar. My warm greetings to all of you at the Solar Futures 2026 conference, being organized by the Sustainability Karma. It is a pleasure for us at India Habitat Center, one of the leading intellectual and cultural hubs of the country and a think tank on habitat-related issues, environment-related issues, and of course sustainable development, to partner in this important and timely initiative that brings together the brightest minds shaping the future of clean energy, which is the need of the hour. This is a moment not only to celebrate India's remarkable achievements in solar energy, but also to reflect on the transformative role it is playing in our journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Over the past decade, India has emerged as one of the world's leading renewable energy nations, demonstrating that economic growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. It is at India's initiative that the International Solar Alliance was set up. The discussions and collaborations emerging from this conference have the potential to accelerate India's leadership in the global clean energy transition. As we advance towards the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047, solar energy will remain a cornerstone of our nation's progress, resilience, and self-reliance. I wish Solar Futures 2026 every success and look forward to the insightful deliberations and innovative ideas that will help shape the future of solar energy in India and beyond. My best wishes to all the participants.
The perspectives we have heard today come from different parts of the solar ecosystem: research and innovation, international cooperation, sustainable development, and institutional leadership. Yet, they all point towards a common theme. The future of energy will be shaped through collaboration, innovation, and shared purpose. These are the conversations that Solar Futures 2026 seeks to encourage. On 3rd July 2026, policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, entrepreneurs, and practitioners will come together at India Habitat Center, New Delhi, to discuss the opportunities and challenges shaping the future of solar energy. We hope you will join us for what promises to be an engaging and meaningful exchange of ideas. This is Nana Gautam signing off for Sustainability Karma.
We hope you like this program. We look forward to your feedback on our WhatsApp number 9818120554. For participation in this program, write to us at sustainability.karma@gmail.com. Looking forward to meet you again at the same time next week with a new episode and a new guest. Till then, goodbye from all of us. Sustainability Karma.